Seeing the horrific things that go on in these nursing homes and hearing the defense of she didn't have much time anyway, that would be the defining moment for me when I realized this is outrageous. This is what I need to be doing. We started in a one-room office, and from there, we've really developed a nationwide presence. At Senior Justice Law Firm, we are acutely aware of a systemic cycle of elder abuse and neglect in these long-term care facilities. Many of the for-profit nursing homes employ this profits before people mindset. That's why we see so many bed sores, falls, broken bones, medication mistakes. If you don't do something about this, you are allowing the cycle to continue, and this will happen to somebody else's parent, somebody else's spouse. For-profit nursing homes and assisted living facilities will never change their bad behavior. You have to disincentivize them financially in order for them to actually change. That's what we do. That's the mission. Regardless of whether the victim is 9 years old or 99 years old, nobody deserves to be mistreated in a healthcare setting.
I was involved in a really bad accident, and it left me paralyzed for the rest of my life. I went into a facility because I just could not care for myself. There was a male CNA that worked in this facility that sexually assaulted me. I could not do anything to defend myself. I decided to call a lawyer, and I actually got a hold of the Senior Justice Law Firm. It was an amazing thing. To be able to be professional and yet be personal at the same time, that's a big deal. The lawyers are very competent, but they make you feel safe.
My father was a peaceful man. He went into the facility. We mentioned that he needed to potentially go to the hospital. We brought it up with the staff a number of times, and every time they declined to take him to the hospital. He passed about a week or so after. I didn't know what to do. We felt helpless. Once we met Senior Justice, all of that went away. It couldn't have been a more personalized experience, and they made us feel like they were part of the family. They worked aggressively and they worked quickly. There's definitely a team here that's dedicated to making sure that justice is served.
When I hear about an elderly person being neglected in a facility or a hospital, I think about my family. I think about my parents and how enraging that would be. Senior Justice Law Firm attacks these cases with both passion and compassion. We will make sure that every ounce of energy is expended to ensure that those who are negligent are held to account. At Senior Justice Law Firm, we want to be your nursing home abuse attorneys.